Imagine waking up every day feeling stressed because you have to go to work and deal with a boss who's always telling you what to do. This is one of the many reasons why individuals like me just want to generate money online. It's simpler and I don't have to go through the bother of it. Today, I am going to show you a fantastic website that will make you a lot of money and allow you to avoid dealing with your employer so you can earn up to $400 while also having enough time for yourself. In this video, I am going to show you how to easily earn free money by copying and pasting a few lines of text. This method is also accessible all around the world. So whether you're from the other side of the earth or wherever else, this approach is for you. You don't need any prior experience or special skills. Just a computer and a few minutes of your time. So stay tuned and I'll show you how it's done. Make sure to watch the entire video because I am going to give you some bonus tips, tricks, and tools that will make this process even easier than it already is. Let's jump right in. Welcome to Money Anytime, where we share money-making tips and tricks through online means. The methods and ideas that we will share are guaranteed up-to-date and surely doable at home, so you can earn money anytime. Now, let's get right into the video. Take a look at this website section on Amazon.com. This is the Kindle books section. So if you scroll down, you'll see that many people are selling ebooks for $7.99, $8.99, and other prices. Some people are even selling them for $15. You can see that most of these ebooks have over 2,000 written reviews, which means they must have had their ebooks purchased for over 2,000 times. Let's check on our calculator and see how much you can make if you sold an ebook worth $14.99 2,000 times. You will see that you could have made almost $30,000 with Kindle ebook alone. You don't need any money or knowledge to start making money with this system. Just copy and paste the template that I will show you later in this video, and you'll be ready to go. Now I want you to visit another website called Visme.co. This website lets us create professional-looking Kindle books, which we can then sell for a lot of money without any experience. You will be able to choose ready-made templates that you can customize completely however you'd like, and then publish them on Amazon, so keep watching because I am going to show you everything right now. From the top right corner of the homepage, you are gonna click the blue button that says Sign Up Free and fill in the details to sign up. Once you've signed up, you can see all the different types of document templates they provide, such as resumes, cover letters, reports, and a lot more. However, we are only interested in the ebooks, so click on the ebooks category in the left corner column, and here you can see tons of beautiful and professional looking ebook templates to choose from. I recommend sticking to the health, exercise, and diet category as this is where most of the money can be made. And there is a lot of opportunity for you because the competition is not too high. Before we move on with the rest of the video, please don't hesitate to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so that you'll be the first to know the next money-generating strategy we have. You can also leave a comment below if you've got questions or other methods that you want to learn about. You can also comment down below one skill that you have that is very unique. Now, let's go back to the video. This template that says baking recipe fits well with the type of category we want to go for, which is health and fitness. The template is professional and appropriate for a health and fitness theme. If you click on the preview button, you will see what is inside the template and all the pages that are included in this template. These types of ebooks are designed to help people lose weight, learn about healthy fruit. This template is already very full, and it's almost like a completed book. All you have to do now is copy and paste, and the template is ready to use. You can also choose to edit it however you'd like. You can change the font and text until you are happy with the ebook, and then press the download button. Now I'd like to show you another website called freeplrdownloads.com. You can use this site that has a lot of facts you can simply download for free and copy and paste into your ebook. Again, we want to only focus on health and fitness category, so let's check out this one that says Well Fitness. If you scroll down, you can see the blue download button, which you can click and have it downloaded. No matter what device you have, the file will be downloaded directly to it. I'll show you the rest of the steps in a bit, but for now, I'd like to ask you what is your favorite payment method and the country you're from. Also include what other videos you'd like to see in our future videos. Our future videos will be based completely off of your suggestions, so make sure to leave a comment. Now, back to the video. After you have downloaded all of the health category ebooks, you can start selling them on Amazon. You can make a lot of money by using the ebooks you got from Visme.co and the free PLR website. Then, go to Kindle Direct Publishing, type in kdp.amazon.com and start publishing your own ebooks. Once they are published, you will start making money. As you can see, it only takes a few minutes to publish your book on the Kindle store. You can access the Kindle store from anywhere, so just go to this page and click the Sign Up button. You'll be directed to this page where you'll create your account. If you already have an account, you can just sign in and start publishing your ebooks and upload them on Amazon. And that brings us to the end of our video. Thank you so much for staying until the end. If you love content such as this, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, because I've got more videos in store for you. Hit the like button and comment what you want to hear from our channel next. Good luck and see you in our next video.